I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I ran into a problem. I picked this up at Tractor Supply and it fit into the back just fine, no problem at all. A little snug, but I just had to push on the gate a little bit to close it. Well, there's a problem that came after that though. When I went to drop the tailgate, it didn't want to release. So I pulled on it, and when I did that, part of the linkage either came loose or broke off inside the tailgate. So I can't drop the tailgate to get it out. It's trapped underneath the toolbox and the tailgate, between the tailgate, so I can't get the darn thing out. So I'm going to take this latch out and see if I can get that removed and get the tailgate to drop open so I can pull out the rack. Trying to remove the latch from the outside just didn't work. There's no access. So I needed to get the inner panel off the tailgate. To do that, I need to get the rack out. So I decided I'm just going to go ahead and cut the rack in two, haul it out in pieces, and then I'll be able to get inside, take the inner panel off, and take the tailgate latch out. Sounds easy. So I'm going to use the steel tube for whatever I can use steel tube for. Some of it's just going to go into scrap iron because it's heavy. And that'll take care of that. Now I got to get the impact driver and take off that back plate.
Side of this little thing here cracked out. I probably can fill that in with epoxy. Make it so that little pin will go back in there. Now look at that. Broken piece. It's right there. That ought to work. Put that together. Put some JB weld on it. Hold the pieces together. And wrap a little ring around it to keep it from breaking again. That should be good. I think it just got old. Okay. That's easy enough fix. Pull the extension cord out of here, drive the truck back in the workshop, this inside, and glue it up. Now that I got all the pieces and parts, I can put this back together again, take it down to the basement, glue it up with some JB weld, patch this thing, come out here in the garage, maybe later tonight, maybe tomorrow, and put a metal slip ring around it, and that'll hold it together a good long time. Maybe a hose clamp. Hose clamp might work. Yep, nothing in the way there. Put a small hose clamp around that. I think I got some spring hose clamps that'll just clip right on there. Okay. That takes care of that. A lot less trouble than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to have a lot of problems with this. Still not done, but a lot less than I thought it was going to be. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop it out in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.